The topic for the day is my body. And basically, we'll be discussing about body organs in detail. So, there are two types of organs. Number one, internal organs, and number two, external organs. Internal organs, these are the organs that are present inside our body. For example, our lungs, heart, brain, stomach, bones, and muscles. As you can see here in this picture, all the red parts and the blue ones are your internal organs. You cannot directly touch them. These are present inside your body. Second up is external organs. The organs that are present outside our body are called external organs. Example, hand, legs, eyes, nose, etc. Here you can see your external organs, and you can take a note that all the external organs can be touched directly with your hands, but internal organs are not touched. So, internal organs are covered by skin. We have a layer of skin above the internal organs. For example, you know that the brain is present inside your head, the heart is somewhere inside your chest. Even after knowing their location, you are not able to touch them directly because they are covered with the layer of skin. So, talking about heart, we have a heart beating inside our chest. It pumps blood to all the parts of the body. So, heart is present, its location is inside our chest, and its work is to pump the blood, to distribute blood to all the other body parts. So, heart is basically a muscle that works like a pump, like a water pump, you can say, in distributing blood throughout the body. Junk food is very harmful for your heart. You should eat more of fruits, vegetables, milk, cheese, butter, and healthy foods for a good heart health. Junk food like pizzas, burgers, noodles, Maggie, all these things are really harmful for your heart. So you should stay away from them. Nextly, we are going to talk about our lungs. We have a pair of lungs inside our chest. A pair. A pair means two. There are two lungs inside our chest, close to the heart. Lungs help us to breathe. As you all know that we breathe with our nose. Yes, it's true, but we breathe with the help of our lungs too. You can actually try it. So start breathing in. Breathe in. As you breathe in, you feel that air is collected in your chest. And when you breathe out, the air that was collected in your lungs is thrown out, is flushed out via your nose. So, lungs actually help us to breathe. So, you can see here in this picture, there are two lungs present in our body, the one on the left side and the other on the right. Pollution is really bad for our lungs. As we know, during Diwali, it is suggested to not use firecrackers because they cause air pollution. And air pollution directly harms our lungs. Children and the old age people are more prone to air pollution. So we should avoid such things during our festivals. You should not burn firecrackers because they cause air pollution, and that in return is harmful for your body only. Next is brain. So we have a brain inside our head. It helps us to learn, think, and remember. It is your brain which helps you to learn and remember things. Brain helps to learn, and to think and to remember. Also, brain controls all the functions of our body. Yes, you must be wondering how can brain control all the functions of our body? But when you're sleeping, your brain is still working, and that is why only you are able to breathe even when you're sleeping. Brain controls all the functions of our body. It is still active when we are sleeping, when we are studying, when we are eating, walking, running, or doing anything. It is the brain that controls all the functions in our body. Stomach. So, stomach is a bag like structure inside our belly. The food that we eat goes inside our stomach and it helps us to digest the food. All the food that we eat is digested in our stomach. As you can see in this picture, whatever we eat goes to our stomach and the digestion process starts there. To keep our stomach healthy, to keep our gut healthy, we need to have good eating habits and good food habits. So, you should wash your raw food, you should drink lots of water, and you should properly chew the food before you engulf it. Eating unhealthy food can cause stomach ache. And last for the day is bones and muscles. Bones give shape to our body. Bones and muscles together help in moving, running, and stomach is a bag-like structure inside our belly. The food that we eat goes inside our stomach and it helps us to digest the food. All the food that we eat is digested in our stomach. As you can see in this picture, whatever we eat goes to our stomach and the digestion process starts there. To keep our stomach healthy, to keep our gut healthy, we need to have good eating habits and good food habits. So, you should wash your raw food, you should drink lots of water, and you should properly chew the food before you engulf it. Eating unhealthy food can cause stomach ache. And last for the day is bones and muscles. Bones give shape to our body. Bones and muscles together help in moving, running, and playing. You can see here, bones and muscles are present all around our body and are covered with skin. You cannot directly touch your bone, can you? So, bones and muscles basically help us in playing, running, and moving because they provide strength to our body. They give that proper shape to our body, and muscles help in the movement of our body.